So Stella and I are wondering if you're ready to start making 5 gallons of beer at a time. If you are, we have the Home Brew Ohio Essential 5-gallon beer equipment kit. This kit gives you everything you need except for your brew pot. And we do that intentionally so that you can decide what brew pot you want for your kitchen. This is going to provide everything else. Let's take a look. First off, for cleaning and sanitizing, you have a bottle brush. This is going to get right down into those beer bottles, whether they're 12 ounces or 22 ounces, get them nice and clean. It's a great addition to your kitchen. Also, you have the necessities like a bottle capper. This one has a little magnet on it to make it really easy that you can cap your bottles. You have 2 buckets. This one is a solid bucket, 6.5 gallons. It's going to be your fermenter. So this is going to work on here. It's going to be a nice tight fit. You're going to have your fermenter, and with that fermenter, you're going to have your 3-piece airlock. So you're going to be able to put this right inside here and ferment away. Additionally, you will find a triple scale hydrometer so that you can test your gravity, and then you can also test to make sure your fermentation is complete. Here is a auto siphon. These are fantastic. This auto siphon is going to create a prime with just 2 pumps. You will attach your tubing to it, and then you'll be able to transfer your beer from your fermenter into your bottling bucket when it's time. If it seems like it's a little bit hard to get the tubing on, that's by design. Just use warm water, warm it up. It'll work, it'll be more pliable that way. Additionally, you'll see we have a combination bottle filler, and that works with the tubing, which will go on to your Italian spigot. It goes right here into your bottling bucket. So the Italian spigot goes on here. You can use this tubing on one end. It attaches to the bottle filler on the other, and you are good to go for your bottling day. The other items that you'll find, this is wonderful. This is an auto siphon clamp. So instead of trying to hold on to the siphon and hold on to everything, your tubing, and get it over here, you just put this on the side of your bucket. It holds your auto siphon, and it makes it very easy to do this as a 1-person job. Lastly, we have the dual scale thermometer that can be attached right here, right onto your fermenter. That way you can make sure that your temperature stays good for a really healthy yeast. And then of course, we did throw in a very general, basic instructions on how to ferment. But of course, that does not ever take the place of following the recipe that you choose when you're making your beer. Hope you enjoy that essential kit.